Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming signal and removing blockers. Check the bars, make sure airplane mode is off, and disable Do Not Disturb so calls can ring. Once done, enable Wi-Fi calling or connect to a strong Wi-Fi network to avoid carrier congestion. Make sure any call blocking apps are closed. They can mark lines busy. Restart the phone if you suspect a stale network state. These steps reduce immediate causes of a busy tone and put you into a ready state. You now act on the central fixes. Turn on call waiting so incoming calls join instead of getting a busy signal. This prevents single-line lockout. If lines stay congested, forward incoming calls to an alternate number or to voicemail temporarily to clear traffic. For VoIP or business lines, check active sessions and end any lingering calls. Reboot the router or SIP gateway if needed. Make sure to test with a second phone so you verify the busy condition is resolved before moving on. You finish by verifying and fixing remaining problems. Test calling from 2 different networks, cellular and Wi-Fi, to isolate the issue. If busy signals persist, contact your carrier or IT desk with your test logs so they can check trunk capacity or routing. One key troubleshooting move: power off, remove and reseat the SIM, then update device firmware and retry. This resolves many registration and provisioning errors. Finally, make sure call forwarding and waiting settings are returned to your preferred configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.